Hello, this is Jack from Cam and Jack Bass Fishing. Let's go to the dam and catch some fish.
Hey guys, Cam and Jack Bass. I got another bass on. There he is. Get this one back in the water really quickly here. Nice little fish, third one of the day. We'll get him back in the water. Thanks for watching, guys. Cam from Film the Fish. He's gonna jump it. There he is. I'm just gonna swing him right up.
It's not a bad. Ooh.
A nice little small one, guys. Fourth. That's the film the video. Fourth fish of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Small little fry. There he is. I'm getting back in the water. Oh, there he is. Yep, that's a bass. Ooh, that's a good bass. Oh, got a bass, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna come over here and yeah. Solid little 1 pound bass right there. Ah, he actually could go for a 2 pound. Hey guys, this is Cam Jack Bass here. I got a bass on here. Just a little small one again, but fish. There he is. Just get him off and back in. He looks pretty tired. Why don't you get the release here? Ready?
Yeah.
Hey, this is Cam from Cam and Jack Bass. We hope you've enjoyed our video today. Be sure to subscribe and share our video, and we'll catch you next time on the water.